Have you ever wondered what our world would look like without electricity? No lights would turn on, no devices would function, there would be no internet, and even the phones we hold every day would just be pieces of metal and plastic. Electricity is the soul of the modern world. And electrical engineering is the science that creates, guides, and controls this soul. If you're passionate about technology, logic, and building systems that power the world, then the world of electrical engineering is exactly where you belong. But what exactly is electrical engineering? And what fields does it include? In this video, we are going to take a bright journey into the world of electrical engineering. Section 1: What is electrical engineering? Electrical engineering is one of the major branches of engineering, dealing with the study and application of electricity, electronics, and electromagnetics. From generating and transmitting power in power plants to designing the tiniest electronic chips, it all belongs to this field. Electrical engineers are, simply put, the designers and brains behind modern technology. They understand how electrical energy turns into useful work, how circuits can be designed to function accurately and efficiently, and how artificial intelligence, control systems, and communications can create smart, intelligent technologies. Electrical engineering is the foundation of many other fields, from computer engineering and robotics to biomedical engineering and renewable energy. Section 2: A brief history of electrical engineering. The roots of electrical engineering go back to the 19th century, when great minds like Michael Faraday, Thomas Edison, and Nikola Tesla explored and discovered the principles of electricity. The invention of the light bulb, electric motors, and power transmission systems opened a new era for humanity. Over time, electrical engineering expanded far beyond power generation and entered the worlds of electronics, control, communications, and computing. Today, it is so vast that almost no industry can function without it. Section 3: Main branches of electrical engineering. Electrical engineering includes several major fields, each one a world of its own. Let's explore them one by one. 1. Power engineering. Power engineering deals with generating, transmitting, and distributing electrical energy. Engineers in this field work in power plants, substations, urban distribution systems, and smart grids. If you're interested in large-scale infrastructures, like designing a city's electrical network or managing a power station, this is the right field for you. In the near future, with the growth of electric vehicles, solar energy, and wind turbines, power engineering will become even more important. 2. Electronics engineering. Electronics is a small world that has created the biggest changes in our lives. From smartphones and laptops to industrial equipment, everything runs on electronic circuits. Electronics engineers design circuits that amplify, convert, and process signals. They work with semiconductors, microcontrollers, and sensors. In simple terms, the brains of modern systems are built by electronics engineers. If you love building and designing circuits, this field is for you. 3. Control engineering. Control engineering is the brain behind automated systems. From smart air conditioners to industrial robots, all of them need control systems. Control engineers know how to measure, analyze, and regulate the behavior of systems to achieve the desired output. Today, combined with artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things, control engineering has become one of the most exciting fields in engineering. If you enjoy using mathematics and logic to make machines intelligent, this world is yours. 4. Telecommunications engineering. Telecommunications is all about enabling communication between people and machines. Phone calls, the internet, Wi-Fi, satellites, all rely on telecom engineering. Telecommunication engineers work with signal transmission, data communication, and the design of communication networks. In today's world, with wireless communication, 5G networks, and the rapid expansion of IoT, telecommunications plays a vital role. 5. Biomedical, Bioelectrical engineering. This is where electrical engineering meets medicine. Biomedical engineers design devices that help diagnose and treat illnesses, such as ECG machines, MRI systems, and patient monitoring devices. If you love technology and also want to help save lives, biomedical engineering is a beautiful blend of science and humanity. Section 4. Essential skills for electrical engineers. To succeed in this field, you need to develop several key skills. Small orange diamond, strong understanding of mathematics and physics. Small orange diamond, ability to analyze circuits and systems. Small orange diamond, familiarity with software tools like MATLAB, Pro Tools, and PLC programming. Small orange diamond, problem solving and logical thinking. Small orange diamond, and most importantly, a passion for continuous learning, because technology never stops evolving. Section 5. Job market and career opportunities. Electrical engineering is one of the few fields that has applications in almost every industry. From power plants and oil and gas industries to tech companies, hospitals, factories, and even AI startups, electrical engineers are needed everywhere. In Iran and around the world, the job market for electrical engineering remains active and growing. With the rise of renewable energy, smart vehicles, robotics, and the Internet of Things, the demand for electrical engineers will be higher than ever. Section 6. Final words. Electrical engineering is not just a university major, it's a way of thinking. A way of viewing the world through logic, analysis, and creativity. Electrical engineers are the ones who light up the world, power technology, and help build the future. If you love discovering, building, and making an impact, maybe it's time to enter the world of electricity. High voltage sign. Electrical engineering, the power of the future. High voltage sign.